Hello class! In this video, I will show you how to register for Mastering A&P, or if you just want to purchase the Access card only. In the bookstore, they have a whole bundle, but just in case you want to purchase the Access card only, this is how you do it. Okay, so first you have to go to the Canvas page. You cannot directly register from the Pearson website because it will require you to punch in an instructor code or a class code or something like that. I don't have that to give you, so just go directly from your Canvas page, click on My Lab and Mastering here. It would take you to something like this. Then click on Open My Lab and Mastering, and then it would take you to this page, basically all of their license agreement kind of thing. Accept that. And then from here, you get to either create a Pearson account if you never used Pearson before, or if you have a Pearson account, then you log in. I already have a trial account, so I'm gonna see if I remember that password. Let's see here. Okay. So after you create your account or log in, it should take you to this page here. With this page, you can either input the access code that you bought in a bundle or not. Okay. The other options is you can purchase them if you don't have anything yet. You can purchase the one with the textbook, the e-text, which is the $90 option here, or you can just purchase the access code only. This $50 or $45 here, it doesn't have the e-text, it's only the access card. So let's say that you want this, right? You just click on that, and then you just input your credit card information here, and you should be good to go after that. You should have your access then. Okay. All right, that's it for this video. If you have any question or still have trouble registering, make sure you let me know. Bye guys.